Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how you can add your own activities to the Our Activities collection section. The purpose of this section is for you to store activities that you want to hold on to. It might be that they've come from the Tapestry activity catalogue, either directly or edited to suit you. It might be that you've done this activity before in class and just want to add it to Tapestry now, so that when you come to use it again, it's already here. Or maybe you want to add it from an activity that you've previously assigned straight as a planned activity, and then decided it actually worked really well, and you want to remember it for a future day or year group. I'm going to show you the different ways that you can add them one at a time, starting with taking them from the Tapestry activity catalogue, then adding them from a planned activity, and then from scratch. So in all cases, the first thing you need to do is log into your Tapestry account via the browser and navigate to the Activities area at the top of the page. When adding from the Tapestry activity catalogue, you first of all need to make sure you're on that page. Then, if you know which activity you want to move across, you can click on the cog next to it and then choose the first option, Add to Our Activities collection. Otherwise, if you're browsing through them and adding them as you go, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Save to Our Activities collection. Once you've clicked on that, it's really simple. Just make any changes you want, if you want them, including to the status, and then save. And there it is, ready to be used in a planned activity whenever you want. The next way I want to show you is how to add from a planned activity. To do that, you need to go to the Planned Activities section, find the one you want, click on it, and go to the bottom of the page. Then click on Add to Our Collection. As before, make any tweaks that you want, for example, adding assessment framework categories and setting the status, and then save. And there that one is. The final way is from scratch. To do that, you need to be on the Our Activities collection page and click on the blue button that says Add an activity to Our Activities collection. That takes you to a blank form that you can fill in. You can add notes, pictures, videos, documents and audio clips, and you might want to add some assessment framework categories to help you find activities for specific areas later on. When you're ready, remember to press Save. It will then appear in your list of activities. So that's it. If you run into any problems or have any questions, just get in touch by emailing us at customer.service@eyfs.info.